An Ada County judge is considering motion in the Raoul Labrador versus Idaho State Board of Education case. Today's hearing was over a request to disqualify Labrador from suing the board. CBS 2's Angela Kerndl was there and joins us with that part of the legal battle and what it's about.
On June 20th, Raoul Labrador sued the State Board of Ed, saying the University of Idaho deal violated the state open meetings law when it met behind closed doors on the deal for the University of Idaho to purchase the University of Phoenix. At issue in today's hearing, whether the Attorney General should be allowed to sue the board. Today's hearing centered on the question of whether Attorney General Raoul Labrador should be disqualified from the lawsuit. Labrador's duties include representing state agencies such as the State Board of Ed. The State Board of Ed serves as the Board of Regents for the University of Idaho, which in May gave the green light to approve the University of Phoenix deal. The attorney hired by the State Board after the lawsuit was filed, Trudy Fauser, points out the State Board of Ed was assigned a Deputy Attorney General, Jennifer Marcus, who serves under Labrador, and that Marcus told the board that the closed-door meetings were legal. Fauser says Marcus was at all three of these executive sessions. Fauser said in her filing that the Idaho Attorney General's office has a history of suing its own clients based on advice that it gave its own clients. In a phone call on the same day the suit was filed, Fauser said Labrador asked probing questions about the negotiations. Freeman said in a statement to the court that he shared information with Labrador openly and candidly because Labrador was the attorney for the Board of Regents. Fauser argues the State Board of Ed deserves to have an independent prosecutor on this case, someone who was not given confidential information by the defendants. She's asking for Labrador to hire an outside special counsel who's walled off from any confidential information learned in the phone call. Deputy Attorney General Timothy Longfield argued Labrador did not bring the case because of what he learned in the phone call, and that even if he did, pursuing the case is part of Labrador's statutory duty. He also argued the Attorney General can sue a state agency if that agency has independent counsel, which the Board of Education now has. And the judge says he should have a ruling on the motion within the next week. In the control room, Angela Kerndl, CBS 2 News.